To remove a media jam from the elevator feeder, begin by locating and unscrewing the elevator feeder's locking guide nut, then lowering the feeder tray. Next, pull the elevator feeder back about 12 inches away from the machine. Remove the red media block and lift the multipurpose tray wing to the up position. Lift up on the multipurpose tray's locking lever and access the jam media. Remove the jam media by pulling the media out in the same direction of the media's feed. Once removed, close the multipurpose tray and reinsert the red media block. Push the elevator feeder back into place and tighten the feeder's locking guide nut. Raise the feeder tray and press the red reset button to refresh the printer. After pressing the reset button, your media will resume feeding for the current print job.